So, the upcoming episode of Vasudha is set to bring action, suspense, and a major twist as Vasudha moves closer to exposing the real mastermind behind the conspiracy against Chandrika. The story begins with Santosh continuing to suspect Chandrika for all the trouble surrounding Vasudha. However, Vasudha starts believing that Kesar, also known as Kakisa, is not acting on her own. She realizes that someone else is secretly using Kakisa to create problems in her business and turn the entire family against Chandrika. Determined to uncover the truth, Vasudha tracks Kakisa to her locality. When she reaches there, she finds Kakisa trapped in a difficult situation and immediately decides to rescue her. But before they can escape, a group of goons surround them. The attackers try to stop Vasudha and one of them pushes her aside while another moves in to attack. Just when the situation becomes dangerous, Dev arrives at the right moment. He fiercely fights the goons, kicking one of the attackers away and standing in front of Vasudha and Kakisa to protect them. However, the attack takes an unexpected turn. A group of women from the local union suddenly surrounds Dev. Knowing that he is Chandrika Singh Chauhan's son and would never raise his hand against a woman, they use his principles against him. Dev finds himself trapped, unable to fight back, while the goons continue creating chaos around them. Realizing Dev cannot defend himself, Vasudha refuses to remain helpless. She gathers her courage, stands up to the attackers, and prepares to protect herself, Dev, and Kakisa, showing that she is ready to fight for the truth no matter how difficult the situation becomes. The upcoming track also hints at a shocking revelation. Santosh may finally discover that Chandrika is not the person responsible for the constant problem in Vasudha's life. Instead, a mysterious new woman appears to be controlling everything from behind the scenes, using Kakisa and others to create misunderstanding and drive a wedge between Vasudha and the Chauhan family. With Dev risking his life to save Vasudha, Kakisa holding important secrets, and a new mastermind slowly coming into the picture, the upcoming episode promises intense action, suspense, and unexpected twist. The biggest question now is whether Vasudha will expose the real culprit before her family wrongly blames Chandrika once again, or whether the hidden enemy will succeed in tearing the Chauhan family apart forever. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.